Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search data from here. Click on, for example, this is data. Click on data and storage and cache and click cache data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Click on notifications, allow notifications. After allow notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on my iPhone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix text notification sound not working on Note 60 Pro. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.